Hey yo, it is Plumber Joe. Plumber Joe dives deep into the snow, all the way up, right up his own nose. Plumber Joe snorts the snow, all day long, all night long. Plumber Joe cuts up lines as he sits in his thong, wrapped up around his toes. Plumber Joe loves the blow, and he's stealing all of kids' lunch money as he goes, Mr. Joe. Oh no, that don't take my snow. I need it right now and I can't afford to let it go. Don't know that this is Plumber Joe. Plumber Joe steals all the kids' snow for his own nose. Mr. Snow, Mr. Snow, how could he have done this to me? Plumber Joey will receive his receipt. I'll knock the fucking cunt right off his feet. Receipt. Oh yo, oh no, fuck you, Plumber Joe. Got the brain fog as you're sniffing lines off the hook. Going for a joke, looking all around bushes and all around. Oh no, Mr. Snow. Oh no, not my cocaine. Please God, not my cocaine. It's the only thing that rules my brain. My cocaine. Mr. Joe, Mr. Snow, don't touch my snow, Mr. Snow. Mr. Plumber Joe, don't let him near your snow. Mr. Plumber Joe, get away from my snow. Get away from my cocaine, you fucking dog. You fucking dog. You fucking dogs. You motherfucker. Stealing my cocaine again.